If you are looking for a multi-point door lock replacement for a Caradco door, we can help you find the exact lock that was originally installed by the factory. There were a few lock brands that Caradco used throughout the years. The easiest way to determine what lock you have is to look for a label on the edge of the door. Look at the bottom of the label and see if the number 4101341, again, 4101341. This tells us what series door you have. Now look at the exterior of the door and determine the lever to lock configuration. If the keyhole is above the lever handle, then you have the American key cylinder version handle set and multi-point door lock. If you look on the edge of the door where you see the multi-point lock strip, you will notice the lock strip metal is 3/4 of an inch wide and made of stainless steel. If the keyhole is below the lever handle, then you have the European handle set and door lock. You will notice that the lock strip faceplate on the edge of the door is 5/8 wide and made out of stainless steel or just steel. These small details will help us determine the factory specified replacement lock that repairs your Caradco door. If you need any more help, you can always give us a call to get help. Call us at 954-804-1044, or you can always send us an email and photos to hoppelocks@gmail.com. We keep these replacement locks in stock and ready ship out directly to you.